Alright folks, we're going to be trying this almond bitchin sauce and these plantain strips. Let's see how this goes. So
There's also
a little spoonful is all you need. And it's a hit. Yeah, so this is almonds and lemon juice. And it's really good for really good dip.
What do we got going on in the forefront here?
Oh. That's just our fire from before. That's just our... We're making s'mores with waffle cones. Which turned out great, by the way. And we definitely didn't burn
About an hour ago, life should not be that way.